Hi everyone, I'm Felix from Shop 3D, and today we're going to deep dive into the Sigma D25. It's a large volume IDEX desktop 3D printer from BCN3D. So let's get started. The D25 is BCN3D's entry-level 3D printer. It's geared more towards beginners and intermediates, and the most common clients that we see are educational institutes and libraries. Due to its open design and sleek looks, it works best in front-facing environments. And also because of its really large build volume, you can really take advantage of duplication and mirror mode. If you don't know what that is, check out our previous video. The build volume on the D25 is 420mm by 300mm deep and 200mm tall. As you can see, it's really quite huge, and compared to other 3D printers in this price range, you get a lot of bang for your buck. The materials the D25 supports are PLA, Tough PLA, PETG, TPU98A, and for support material you have PVA and VVOH. If you know anything about these materials, you may know that they're a little bit easier and safer to print with. This is because of the D25's open and practical design. If you wanted a little bit more capability to print more advanced materials, check out the W27 and W50. The heated bed on the D25 goes up to 80 degrees Celsius. It features assisted bed leveling as well as mesh bed leveling so that you can get perfect first layers every single time. It comes fitted standard with a 0.4mm nozzle, but if you needed a bit more speed, you can upgrade to 0.8mm. And it's important to remember that it does not support abrasive materials. The user experience on the D25 is very pleasant. You have a really big 5-inch display at the front that is really responsive and has a really clean and intuitive user interface. This also has Wi-Fi connectivity and BCN3D cloud control if you want to use that. A few nice features on the D25 are the big perch buckets on either side of the machine that are easily removable for cleaning. You also have 2 filament runout sensors at the back, which will pause the printer once the filament runs out. You also have the option of putting the small spools inside the printer, or if you have big 2.5 kg or 4.5 kg spools, you can actually put them on the back side of the machine. So there you have it. The D25 comes equipped with all the things you might need for reliable IDEX printing. And with a large build volume at an affordable price, it's perfect for beginners and intermediates alike. If you need a more industrial machine that can print more advanced materials, make sure to subscribe to our channel because our next video is going to go over the W27 and W50. And as always, give us a thumbs up if you like this video and drop us a comment below if you have any questions. Until next time, I'm Felix.